At the stern of the tug, you'll notice a fixed fin called a skeg. It doesn't steer like a rudder. Instead, it gives the tug stability in the water. Around the tug are inflatable rubber fenders, which act as cushions to protect both of the tug and the ship's assist during close contact. The hull is made of thick steel with extra strong frames. The bow is especially tough, with reinforced steel to tow and to take hits when working alongside giant ships. On top is a wheelhouse. This spot gives captain and crew a clear visibility of everything around the boat. Beneath the wheelhouse is the crew accommodation. It's a compact but functional home for the crew during their time at sea.